Okay. So when do I start?
Just whenever you're ready.
Oh, okay. So I'm ready, so I can start.
Yep.
Okay. So hi everyone. My name is Yunxi, and I'm here to present a final project for my Java 2 class. So let's start from my idea. This project was inspired by a game website. I first saw the game 2048 at a game website. It's a fascinating game, and I want to replicate the game in the game engine. So I did some research on how to make 2048 and decided to work on Unity. And those two are two pictures of demonstration of how 2048 looks like. What did I learn and use for my project during the class? I learned how to create multiple scripts and create different functions, which I used in my project. First is create multiple scripts. Creating scripts allow me to make more functions, and creating different functions allows me to make my code easier and clean, more clear. And those two pictures are two demonstration of what is a script and functions looks like. Next, here are two code examples of my code. First one is get some reference of the game object. So in the game, you have to move those tiles and you have to get some references of those tiles. So that's a very important script. And the second one is how to get users input. There are 4 inputs that the player can make, which is upward, downward, left, and right. And the code here is basically letting user to input up, down, right, and left. Oh, and here's a demo of the game I made in Unity. You can basically move those tiles, and there's a button for new game, and it keep track of your scores and keep tracks of your highest score as well. Okay, so here comes my favorite. And my favorite part of about working on this project was the merging tiles. So it was the most satisfying part because it shows the basic and fundamental gameplay. The merging tiles is the most important part in the game 2048. Also, I enjoy the scoring system, which can keep track of your score and your highest score. How to improve my project. If I were to continue work on my project, I would add sound effect to the game because there's no sound or background music in my game currently. And secondly, I will add some particle effect that plays during the game to make the game looks more exciting. And finally, I would add more colorful backgrounds and tiles to change the color of them to make it more visually appealing. Yes. Thank you.